Take a look at this Thunderbird, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1973 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Underneath the hood, 460 V8 powered. That is paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold in this one. Take a look at this front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome. You can see the condition that is all in. Believed to be an original mile car, and when you start looking at the small details on it, like some of the chrome, the bright work, the condition of the interior, the underside, the engine bay, very believable that this could be a 28,174 mile car. Unfortunately, once the car is so old, the miles do not stay with the title. It is just marked exempt. So I'll point out some of the things I'm talking about as we go around this car. If you want to check out the still pictures first so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior, undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726, and take a look up and down the passenger side of this vehicle and look at how straight that is. And you can see how long those panels are. If there would be a bunch of body work done to that, you're going to notice it. And just take a look up and down. Once again, the length of those panels and how straight they actually are. Original color of this, 6D yellow. Of course, the brown vinyl top. Interior is a brown cloth and vinyl combination seat. Take a look at the top of the dash, no cracks. And we'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that here in a second. See the condition of the vinyl top. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome bright work on the rear of this car. Nicely equipped also in the interior of a power driver's seat. AM, FM radio, that is in working order. Check out the opera window, of course. Still pictures again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there and look at the length of the car from the driver's side. And again, how straight that is. All right, let's go ahead, pop this door open. I'm going to show you this interior, which definitely appears to be original. Let me get that key out a second so we don't have to listen to the warning chime. All right, look at these door panels. This will be original upholstery. And you can see lack of wear on the armrests. This driver's seat control right here, and that will work every direction that seat is supposed to go. They work in every direction, from reclining, forward, backwards, up, down. Of course, your power locks, power windows, and a remote mirror. Take a look at the seat. The vinyl, not cracked, not wearing. Also on the bolster, look at the condition of that fabric. That's one of the things that leads me to believe this is an original mile car. If that was over 100,000 miles, we both know that that seat's not going to be in that kind of condition. Headliner intact, also in good shape. One thing the tech did note, fuel gauge was in op due to the sending unit. So I want to give you the heads up on that. Only other thing I noticed was the clock. Other than that, radio worked, AC blows cold, wipers worked. We're going to start it up so you can hear it run. Check some of those things out. See how easily that started. This car just runs smooth. All right, so first of all, wipers. Take a look at those. Working order. There's your exact miles while we're in here looking, if you can see that. 28,174. Radio. Again, AM, FM. Here that is working. And again, take a look at the top of that dash. Another reason this car is believed to be original miles. If that had 130,000 miles, sat outside for any sort of time at all, you know what that dash is going to start to look like. Not like it is new, let's put it that way. All right. Slip around to the back of this, you can hear it run. I'll also pop the hood and check out that engine bay. I want to point some things out underneath there. And listen to that. No crazy exhaust. No big cam, no major modifications, just a smooth running V8 under the hood. Remember, it does have the optional 460 underneath there, paired up with that C6 automatic transmission. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. That way I can use both hands. Let's get the hood open and check out this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we go underneath the hood. Again, appears to be original hood liner. Look at the condition of that. And then take a look at this engine. You can still see the markings and stamps on it. See the condition of the stickers on the side. AC compressor. Again, AC does blow cold. Again, look at how clean, tidy this engine bay is. Considering the age of the vehicle, it's hard to believe it could be this clean if again it had over 100,000 miles on it. Power steering, power brakes, AC, aluminum radiator has been added. There you go, 1973 Ford Thunderbird, believed to be original miles. Looks very much the way it would have looked when it left the Ford dealership back in 73. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.